One of my favorite things about Disney is packing for Disney, planning for Disney. Guys, these are the holy grail. And just to look into how we prepare for Disney, this is my secret, some of my best mom hacks. This works really, really good.
Hey, no, 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 hey, no, no, hey, no, no.
What is up, Kaans watchers? So we were gone for a minute, and okay, so they're really excited because we're upstairs. I'm getting ready for Disney today. Ashley actually has a few things to show later in regards to packing. She wants to give some cool packing tips. Look, we all set. We're all good to go. Packing lightly and the smart ways in packing. She wanted to give that tip. That's why I'm here. And also, there's something going on. I want to try to do better at being more creative with the vlogs, you know, and just that's why I've been gone, and nothing has really been going on, right? It's been pretty quiet.
Yep.
Yeah, it's been pretty quiet. So that's what's going on today. I'm going to try to be doing this new upload every single day. So every day I will be posting something. If that's what people want. I mean, I'm hearing people want to see more things. I'm gonna try to do every day. I'm gonna try. But right now in our room, it's not too messy. Don't jump in my bed, little boy. They're always trying to jump in my bed. But I'm gonna wait till Ashley gets back. She wants to get her eyelashes done for Mickey. So the kids always get so excited when we vlog. I don't know why, but they love it. So we're gonna be back in a little bit and have a little tip update on how to pack for Disney. All right, see you in a little bit.
1 hour later.
What's up, guys? We are back. What are you doing?
Me?
Yes. What is she doing?
I am packing for vacation.
So we're packing. Well, she's already packed. We're already off. I showed you guys that earlier.
This is what I use on the cruise. It has sand in it.
Yeah, you might have to get a new one.
New bag.
So what we're about to do, she takes a new bag every time. I mean, so we're in our room actually. I don't think we've ever filmed in here, but we're about to show you guys a quick tip on how to pack. We have to reopen our bags just to show you how it goes. So Ashley's gonna get that now. So let me go get it.
1 hour later.
So I think Ashley is finally camera ready, YouTube ready,
I'm really not.
mom life camera, whatever ready, because you know how they do. They gotta always get their face together before they can get on the camera. So now we can show you. So you're gonna show
I'm gonna show packing for Disney, period. Okay guys, as you know, as my ears suggest, I love Disney. And one of my favorite things about Disney is packing for Disney, planning for Disney, and everything. So what I'm gonna do in this video is give you guys some tips and tricks and just to look into how we prepare for Disney and what we are taking with us and some of my best mom hacks for your Disney park bag, your plane bag, and then how to pack your luggage. So let's go. Okay, first, I always have my handy dandy nothing in this bag belongs to me tote bag. Link in the description below where you can find this bag. It is from our company. And this is the bag that I use in addition to my book bags to carry all of my kids' junk, to keep them quiet and entertained on the plane. So of course, naturally, I'm going to have a book for me. So this is the only thing that belongs to me in this bag. Their iPad devices, a snack for them. This bag is huge. You can take some other stuff. And because I have a 4-year-old and a 7-year-old and we are traveling, I always pack an extra set of clothes. So boys extra. I label it boys extra. I have an outfit and some undies in here. So if we have an accident in the airport, on the plane, whatever, we have something to change them into. If you are not taking Magical Express and you're gonna take a rental car, I love the MyFold travel car seats. You can also check our link below for the review on these car seats. These are the car seats that we will be using in our rental car. We're gonna take a rental car after our Disney vacation. So they don't need this on Magical Express, but they will need it in the rental car. In addition to the change of clothes, I also have our swimwear. This is mommy and daddy's swimwear. Kenny has the kids in their in his bag, but we pack swim clothes because sometimes when you get to the hotel, your room isn't ready. So one of the things that we like to do with the kids is just jump into the fun right away, entertain them instead of waiting around or going and spending unnecessary money on souvenirs that we already have. So we go swimming. So always pack your swim clothes in your carry-on because it's not sure when your luggage is going to arrive. So if you have your swim gear, you can do something while you wait for your room. So that's my plane bag, okay? And like I said, drink snacks for the kids. I buy the drinks after security because that's just the world we live in now. So this carries it all. Next, this is also with me on the plane. This is my favorite JuJuBe bag. I love it because it has so many compartments and I opened them all up to show you what I have in each. So this is a bag that also comes with me on the plane, but it's also my park bag. So this is my purse, essentially. I won't take this into the parks, but I will take this book bag in with me every single day into all of the parks and with me on the plane and wherever we go shopping or whatever. First thing that I have all the time is hand wipes. Hand wipes, these are antibacterial sanitizing wipes for the kids. So after a ride, I'll have them wipe their hands before they eat. I make sure they wipe their hands. Anytime that we can't wash our hands, I make sure that I have plenty of wipes. Here's another pack. We do rent a stroller while we're there, so this is my mommy clip. So if we buy anything, I like to just clip it to the stroller and use the mommy hook so we're not carrying around a whole bunch of stuff or feel like we have to dump it all in our bags and weigh our bags down. I pack lotion for after we wash our hands because I get ashy. I'm ashy now. I am.
You always ashy.
I am. But I wash my hands all the time. That's why I ashy, so.
You are not. We wash our hands.
I also have my sunglasses for the sunny state of Florida.
That bag fit a lot of stuff.
It does, look.
And
It's built in, look. And these are cute, yeah?
Yeah,
They're cute.
Yeah.
Okay, so those are my sunglasses that I use in the park. And here, if you have any medication that you have to bring with you, you know it's best to pack that on in your carry-on. So I pack that as well every single day. As Disney recommends, we always pack our magic bands with us. These will be your room ticket, your park tickets, not your room ticket, but your room key, your park tickets, how you are going to purchase things if you want to add it to your account. So make sure that you always pack your magic bands with you because you never know when your luggage is going to arrive. It can be delayed or something like that. So make sure that you have your magic bands.
Oh,
and
yeah.
ours are super cute. See? We bought decals for our magic bands. I'll link that in the description as well.
Oh, will you? You'll link it?
Can you link it? Guys, these are the holy grail. So I become a germaphobe when I travel because I always think about all the people that have sat where I sat and touched what I touched. Like, Kenny can tell you.
Ridiculous.
Like, I do. I don't know why I become obsessed with being clean. So I wipe down the tray and I wipe down the armrest and I wipe down the seat for everybody. So Clorox wipes are really good. When I go into our hotel room,
I wipe down the remote, I wipe down the phone, I wipe down the knobs, like I wipe down all that stuff.
so this little traveling Clorox, it's like baby wipes almost. These are really good to help you sanitize. So I do take those with me to the parks too. And this little thing, and this is all park stuff. Band-Aids. Disney will give you Band-Aids, but you have to find a first aid desk. So because I have little boys and they're always falling or doing something, I always pack some Band-Aids. I pack floss with me all the time anyway. Hand sanitizer, more sanitizing spray. Shout wipes for accidents. I am a messy eater, like literally 90% of the time. I'm gonna spill coffee on my shirt. These will get it out for you and they dry really fast. So I always have plenty of those, yes. And this is my secret. I wasn't gonna share, but I'll share with you guys. This is for chafing. So this works really, really good. So if you need, it's Body Glide and it's for her. They have one for her, they have one for him. And like it says on here, you got this. So it's anti-chafing balm. You just slide it on the thighs if they rub together a little bit. Or where if you have a chafing problem. I don't normally, but you are doing a lot of walking, so it could happen. So that's our park bag. Our park essentials. Part of it. So JuJuBe is bomb, guys.
That's a dope bag.
You can and they have several styles. I forget the name of this one. I'll try to link it. I'll have Kenny link it down below. Another park essential for us, Disney does not sell gum. So if you are a gum chewer, no, they do not. There is no gum. You cannot purchase gum anywhere in any of the parks. And I'm pretty sure that is because they want to make sure that people aren't spitting their gum out everywhere. But I like to chew gum after I eat. So does Kenny. So in both of our bags, we have gum for us to chew because you can't buy it anywhere else. This is a lifesaver. So everyone is going to be on their phone. You're going to be using your phone to look at My Disney Experience. You're going to be using your phone to take pictures. So make sure you have a backup battery. This, guys, also, this is a traveling surge protector. I love this surge protector because you can turn it like whichever way you need to plug it in the wall to make sure that it fits. It has 2 USB ports and then it has 3 chargers. So we use this in the airport a lot. I have an iPad. Both of the kids have an iPad. Kenny's always on something. He might need to charge his camera or whatever it is. So we use this a lot. We can all charge all of our devices and it works really good. It also works really good in the hotel room. Okay? Because for some reason, it doesn't matter what size your hotel room is. They give you like 2 ports or something. It's annoying. Headphones.
Well, that's mine.
Yeah.
Why are my headphones in your bag?
So I'm using them.
You're gonna have to give them back.
So ponchos. I bought these for $1 at Target. The ponchos are super expensive in the parks. So go ahead. I pack 3 per bag. So I have a book bag. Kenny has a book bag. It starts raining. It's sunny, bright and sunny, and then all of a sudden in Florida it starts raining. Then all of a sudden it's sunny again. So ponchos work really well, better than an umbrella because you're not opening it and closing it. Just put them on and walk because guarantee it's gonna stop raining, then it might start again. Okay, to give you an idea of how we pack, I'm going to use one of the kids' suitcases. We pack our kids in their suitcases and then Kenny and I share a suitcase. So I'll show you just quickly how we pack to give you some ideas of what we bring. Nightlight. Okay, we have a villa, a Disney vacation villa this time that we're going. The boys sleep in their own room. So we do pack a nightlight for them because we are on vacation and I don't want kids running into my bed the entire time. Tide Pods. We pack these and you can't carry them on with you, but you can take them in your checked in luggage. Let me tell you why I pack laundry detergent. Is because, guys, we have found that if you do laundry, if you take your last day of vacation, as you're packing up to leave, do your laundry. Okay, every hotel resort has laundry facility. If you just go down, spend an hour doing your laundry, you can do everything at once, pack it up clean, then when you come home, you have clean clothes. This has been a lifesaver for us.
This is my favorite part here.
On all trips. I do this every single trip. If we are going on a trip longer than 3 days, I'm using bags and you can reuse this bag. What I do is I do this for Kenny and I too. We use bigger bags if we need to. But what I do is I take a Ziploc gallon bag and I put the day. So when it's time to get dressed, say, Aiden, here, Wednesday, here's your bag, get dressed. So this helps us if we have reservations or we're trying to make rope drop or whatever it is, you know exactly what you're wearing. This also helps for coordinating. You know, we love a matching tea set. So if we are coordinating, we don't have to dig through and mess up the suitcase. We can just pull out our bag and get dressed. Like I said, I even do it for adults too. So that was pretty fast. Like, here's some flip-flops. I also make them wear their travel. What do? I make them wear their travel outfit home. So I wash that too. And I only allow them to bring 2 pair of shoes. So Aiden's bringing the flip-flops and the shoes that he has on, because shoes are the shoes that he's gonna wear. Because shoes are heavy. So make sure that you wear what you're going to wear. And they'll also have their jackets. It's cold here in Indiana, but it's warm in Florida. We'll wear our jackets that we use for the park down with us. And during the parks, me and Kenny make, if it's hot outside, we'll just carry their jackets in our bag. That's our Disney packing. I'm so ready to go. So, like I said, check out the links that I described down below in the description and leave us a comment on some of your packing Disney tricks. Like, subscribe, share, thumbs up, all the stuff, because it's Disney. So be happy. Thanks.
There you have it. There's some little tips. So some people are already on their vacation, so they're gonna be watching this like, dang, I should have did that. But you'll get it next time. You got anything to close out?
Subscribe to our channels for other mom hacks and mom life. Bye guys.